aching joints that make every step harder, swollen ankles that feel heavy by the end of the day, constipation that slows digestion, drains energy, and makes you feel uncomfortable, hair that gets thinner, nails that break easily, and skin that heals slower than it used to. For many people after 50, these problems slowly become part of everyday life. They're often brushed off as just aging, but in reality, they're warning signs that the body is struggling with inflammation, weak circulation, poor digestion, and declining tissue repair. That's why old doctors often turn to one of the simplest, but most powerful natural remedies: castor oil. Castor oil is affordable, safe, and incredibly versatile. It's packed with ricinoleic acid, omega fatty acids, and antioxidants that support circulation, calm inflammation, strengthen hair and nails, improve skin health, and even ease constipation when used properly. Generations before us relied on it to restore comfort and keep the body strong, and modern science now confirms many of those benefits. It truly is one of the most valuable oils for seniors who want to stay active, independent, and full of energy. But here's the surprising truth: 95% of people today are using castor oil the wrong way. And this common mistake is the reason so many fail to see results, or worse, end up with irritation, stomach upset, or skin problems. Castor oil is powerful, but power must be respected. Used correctly, it can transform your health. Used incorrectly, it can backfire. That's why in this video, we'll uncover the most common mistake people make with castor oil, explain why it prevents the oil from working as it should, and show you the safe, effective ways to use it so you can experience the benefits without the risks. And before we dive in, I want to mention that I've also created a free guide called 7 Natural Habits to Stay Healthy and Energetic After 30. It's a simple step-by-step resource with proven daily habits that protect your heart, boost energy, and slow aging, and you can grab it right now from the link in the description. The most common mistake people make with castor oil is applying it directly to the skin in large amounts without preparation. Castor oil is very thick and concentrated, and while it is packed with healing compounds, using it raw and heavy can actually cause problems. Instead of soaking in, it can clog pores, trap dirt, and irritate sensitive skin, especially on the face or thin areas. Many people rub it straight onto dry elbows, knees, or the scalp, expecting fast results, but end up disappointed because the oil sits on the surface instead of working deep in the tissues. Another mistake is taking castor oil internally without guidance. While small, controlled doses can act as a natural laxative. Taking too much leads to cramping, diarrhea, and dehydration, which is especially dangerous for seniors. Old doctors used castor oil carefully, but today many people treat it as just another health oil and use it carelessly, missing its true potential. The right way to use castor oil is with controlled, targeted methods that let its compounds penetrate deeply and work safely. For sore joints and arthritis pain, the most effective approach is the castor oil pack. A clean cloth is soaked in the oil, placed on the knee, hip, or back, covered with plastic wrap, and then warmed with a hot water bottle or heating pad. This allows ricinoleic acid to enter the tissue slowly, reducing inflammation and improving circulation. Seniors often report less stiffness and easier movement after just a few sessions. For skin and hair, castor oil should always be diluted with lighter oils such as coconut, olive, or almond oil. This makes it easier to spread, improves absorption, and prevents the greasy buildup that can clog pores or weigh down hair. Applied this way, it nourishes the scalp, stimulates growth, and strengthens hair strands without irritation. For dry skin or brittle nails, just a few drops massaged gently each night are enough. No need to drown the area in oil. Another safe and powerful use is for digestive health. Instead of swallowing spoonfuls, which can be harsh, a warm compress with castor oil placed on the abdomen works more gently. It relaxes the muscles, stimulates the intestines, and eases constipation without the side effects of overuse. For seniors dealing with sluggish digestion, this simple method can bring comfort overnight. And when applied to swollen feet and ankles, castor oil helps reduce fluid buildup, lightening the legs and restoring circulation. The key is moderation. Small amounts used correctly provide healing, while careless use only wastes the oil and risks irritation. Old doctors always respected castor oil as a strong natural remedy. They knew it had the power to calm inflammation, improve blood flow, support digestion, and restore tissues, but only if used wisely. That's the lesson most people miss today. The oil itself is not the problem, the way it's applied is. And if you avoid this mistake, castor oil can become one of the simplest and most affordable tools to protect your health after 50. And remember, if you want more proven ways to protect your health naturally, I've created a free guide called 7 Natural Habits to Stay Healthy and Energetic After 30. You can grab it from the link in the description and start applying these habits today for long-term results. So here's the bottom line. Castor oil is one of the most powerful natural remedies that seniors can use to ease joint pain, reduce swelling, support digestion, improve hair and skin health, and restore overall balance. Generations before us relied on it for a reason, because it works. But the truth is, most people today make the same mistake. They use too much, apply it directly without dilution, or take it internally without guidance. That not only blocks the benefits, but can actually cause irritation, stomach upset, or skin problems. The real secret is not just using castor oil, but using it correctly. Warm compresses for sore joints, gentle dilution for skin and hair, small targeted applications for nails, and external packs for digestion. These methods respect the oil's strength and allow it to deliver results safely. Once you stop making the common mistake and start using it wisely, you'll notice how quickly your body responds. Less stiffness, lighter legs, smoother digestion, stronger hair, softer skin, all from a remedy that's inexpensive, natural, and trusted for generations. 6 months from now, you can either still be frustrated that nothing works, or you can feel proud that you discovered how to use one of the most effective oils the right way. The choice is in your hands. And don't forget, if you want to take this even further, I created a free guide called 7 Natural Habits to Stay Healthy and Energetic After 30. Inside, you'll find simple, proven habits you can add to your daily routine to boost energy, protect your heart, and slow aging. You can grab it right now from the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more senior health tips. And tell me in the comments, type yes if you're ready to try castor oil the right way, or no if you still have questions. Your health after 50 doesn't always need complicated solutions. Sometimes, avoiding one simple mistake is all it takes to unlock the benefits of a natural remedy that has stood the test of time.